Okay, I'm back again. I started the recording and I guess I did not have enough space to continue. So I'm just going to pick up and see if I can put the two together. If not, I will post them separately. And hey, it's me, I'm back. Right? We ended on 1010. No, we ended on echo. And reflection uh, followed behind deaths or endings, being in a state of reflection. Echo again is what is unspoken, but is reflected forever in our lives. Okay? And then the next thing was rain. And I have here, like renewal and spiritual connections and growth. So you're experiencing renewals, like the death to the three ravens. We go back to the three ravens. Death to one life and birth to another phase of life, right? Renewal. So it's raining in some of you all's life, right? I know it's often raining in mine because death could be person, place, or thing, right? And for me, I have come to accept that with change, there change is constant, and you're always going to have to release things in order to have space and room for new experiences, right? And then, because it began to rain, I was going to do laundry at the time. Like I said, this is a nature call. I was instructed to go outside in nature, sit in nature, and read. Read everything around you. And I did that. And doing laundry or clean clothes, a sacrament or I'm struggling to read my writing, my notes. That's the thing. When I am in these modes, my writing is really, it's crazy. Sometimes the letters are on top of the letters, and it's weird, right? And sometimes now I'm struggling to see what this is. Ah, thank you, Spirit. A sacrament of care. Some of you may be doing the laundry or need to do the laundry. Go do your laundry. Go clean your clothes. but clean clothes, a sacrament of care. And it also says ridding of old attitudes, habits, and emotional reactions and improvement. So, in these deaths, there we go. Ridding of old attitudes, habits, and emotional reactions. We're improving as we go through these growth spurts in our awakening, our spiritual walk, our spiritual journey. And then 1122 may be significant for you. It says the universe is ready to support you in bringing your dreams and aspirations into physical reality. Okay? $11 may be significant to you. Maybe you are a master. Life path 11, master number 11. 22, master number 22, a builder. Mastering things, getting better at things, wanting to master something. Says thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, giving thanks to the Almighty. And then cherry pie. Cherry pie came to my thoughts. And cherry pie represents love, homecoming, and could represent an American theme, an American homecoming, an American love. Maybe you're American. It says cherry encourages to find sweetness and grace in every moment and to feel it in your heart. So, in your reflection, find the sweetness and the grace, releasing the pain and the hurt. And then 155 may be significant for you. May 6th, June 5th. '55. And echo. At 155, echo came again. It says a powerful reminder to encourage us to stay open-minded from the divine realm and have faith in our inner strength. Have faith in your intuition, in the downloads that you're given. And when I say downloads, if you're not familiar with them, I call them downloads. When you have a knowing out of nowhere, but you know it. It's there. It's set there within you. It says, yes. The echo or reflection encourages us to tap into our inner wisdom and intuition. And then 229 may be significant for you. 233, 239 may be significant for you. It says take positive action in direction of inner passion. So the things that you're passionate about, it's time to start moving towards those things, in those things, making things happen. Movement. Yeah. In the direction of inner passion and purpose as light working abilities are enhancing and growing. And then some of you who may know your twin flame. You may be with your twin flame, or your twin flame is coming. It says take laid back approach in your relationship. Okay. It says remember or a reminder to spread happiness, cherish relationships, and live life to the fullest. Okay? It says embrace your inner wisdom and intuition. And then rain falls. The rain began again. And that was a message from your guardian angel that your confidence and self-esteem are being boosted and your faith and trust encouraged. And that was angel number 239, and it says it's a happy number. Okay. 212 may be significant for you. February 12th. And then 244. Your prayers will not go unanswered. Okay, so Spirit's saying your prayers will not go unanswered. They hear you. Right? They have been heard. And then we go 737. So July 3rd, July 7th, July 10th may be significant for you. March 14th. It says a new awakening. Ooh, is. Oh wow. This is some of that handwriting that's kind of on top of each other. It says a new awakening is in the cards for you. Okay. Maybe you're from the UK. Okay. It says prioritize yourself. Oh. Again, this is the letters are all on top of each other. Well, prioritize yourself and spiritual well-being. And then it says trust your intuition, follow your inner guidance, and stay focused on your goals. Expect your relationship to deepen. It's all about growth and not being afraid to take chances. And again, that one says in twin flame relationship too. Okay. And then 1028 So October may be significant for you. And that's 1010 again. Completion's a cycle. It says it's a sign that your twin flame relationship is about to manifest. Your thoughts will give you momentum for going after big dreams because you can, right? Big things, big change, right? You can do it. And then we got 1044. It says in twin flame separation, you go through a painful separation, whether happening right now or soon to be. And it says, keep your thoughts positive, optimistic, as you look to an important new venture or role. There's a new role coming up for you. Keep going, and let me ask Spirit, just want me to keep going? No. So I'm going to close here. Spirit says me no. Close here. The other notes are for another message. Okay? So, remember to keep your thoughts positive and optimistic. Trust in your intuition. There's a new awakening in the cards for you. And it says prioritize yourself and spiritual well-being. Stay focused on your goals, okay? And remember to take positive action in direction of your inner passion and purpose, as light working abilities are enhancing and growing. So we got light workers. This message, yeah. If you don't know, now you know. You're a light worker. Okay? Woo. We're going to just take this. It says God's love and kindness will shine upon us like the sun that rises in the sun. Rises in the sun. Something with the sun, okay? Rises in the sky. Luke 1:7-8. And be on your guard. Stand firm in the faith. Be courageous. Be strong. 1 Corinthians 16:13. Okay? So we're going to close on there. I love you all so unconditionally. I appreciate you spending this little time with me. Have a little fun with me. Ooh, tapping into spirit. Ooh, somebody feels left out in the cold, or you putting people out in the cold in order to lay that down so you can pick up the new. Yeah. I truly appreciate you. Yeah. Spending a little time, have a little fun, getting the messages the spirits conveying to you through me. All right? I'm just a messenger. And I am oh so grateful for you being a part of the journey, right? Because this awakening is on a vast scale. Spirits is justice time. Spirit is cleaning things up and calling his soldiers to the forefront. So trust in the messages and feelings and the visions and the echoes you hear, guiding you through your awakening, through your growth spurt upon this spiritual journey, right? All right, I love you all. Have a beautiful, blessed, and highly favored day. Till next time, bye.